To remove the SIM card from your Tracfone, first power off your device to prevent data corruption. Locate the SIM tray. It's usually on the side or bottom of the phone. Use a SIM eject tool or a small paper clip. Insert the tool into the pinhole on the tray and apply gentle pressure until the tray pops out. Carefully pull the tray out completely and remove the SIM card. Handle the SIM by its edges to avoid damage. Remember, forcing the tray can cause damage, so if it doesn't come out easily, double-check the pin is correctly inserted and aligned. Tracphones use nano SIMs, so note the orientation for reinsertion later or when inserting a new SIM. SIM tray locations vary by device model. Side trays are common on modern smartphones, while older flip phones often have trays on the bottom. Side trays are common on modern smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy A series. Bottom trays are found on older flip phones. Some models feature hybrid trays that support both SIM and SD cards. If you encounter issues like a stuck tray, ensure you're using the correct tool and applying gentle pressure. If it's stuck, don't force it. Seek professional help. For damaged trays, replacements are available online. Always handle the SIM with clean, dry hands to avoid static or moisture damage. A key trend is the increasing adoption of eSIM in some Tracfone models, but physical SIM removal remains relevant for many users, especially those on prepaid plans. Remember always to power off before removal to avoid data corruption.